Goodwill Commercial Services has assembled a top-notch team of engineers, managers, and quality experts with decades of experience in CPG, automotive, logistics, industrial equipment, medical device manufacturing, and more. With a quality management system that's certified to ISO 9001-2015, our team has the expertise to ensure quality at every step of the manufacturing or packaging process, holding certifications from ISO and the American Society for Quality. We pride ourselves on tackling challenges and developing high-quality, cost-effective solutions for our customers' manufacturing, assembly, and packaging needs. We'll work side by side with you to understand your products and markets and become a valued partner to your business. Goodwill has the proven ability to engineer solutions that exceed customers' own KPIs. We routinely develop custom processes and work instructions, allowing us to quickly ramp up our full-time, multi-skilled workforce to meet any demand. Contact us to discuss your next project or to schedule a visit. Goodwill Commercial Services. Contract manufacturing and packaging solutions customized for your business.